Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Untermyer Gardens. So let's go inside. I think this is, well, the main entrance was over there, लेकिन अभी यहाँ से gardens में जा रहे हैं. So it's really pretty. The trees up there are so nice. These trees are say hang good and they look so nice.
Okay, good. Come on. Mommy's waiting. Mommy and me are waiting.
Oh, that's look, you see where the fridge is. You can see one I don't need to.
I asked for
These flowers look so pretty, the colors. आज clear skies हैं. The temperature is around 70 almost. There are fishes in here.
Oh, red color is also.
मुझे ये structure ऐसे इतने पसंद है. It looks so nice and makes you feel like you're in Rome or Greece. So let's see middle से कैसा लगता है. It's so pretty, especially when the sun hits it, and you can see those, I don't know what you call them, but those lines and human mixed hybrid figures. So उस side पे mountains हैं and Hudson River. It's so nice here. Gardens are way better than parks. Parks से बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे gardens होते हैं क्योंकि gardens में flowers होते हैं and water fountains like these. यहाँ पे parks different होते हैं. So इसका wings हैं like eagle and human face and I don't know, is that lion's or dog's body?
Alright, guys, here. Take a picture.
I'm so glad मैं आज यहाँ पे आई. I was thinking to go somewhere else. But thank God, because this place is so nice, so magical. There's stairs in, but they don't really lead to anywhere. Oh, it's just this. Let's go up and see. वहाँ से कैसा view आता है. Alright. So they have this beautiful floor. Oh, it's so nice here. There are stairs in the back too. They go to what's the parking lot, I think. Parking lot की तरफ जाती है. I love these white flowers, these tiny flowers. I don't know what's the name of them. This garden is so perfect. It's so nice. Okay, let's go down and over there. So yesterday we went to Chinese garden. That was really nice too. So check out that video too. Harbor Snug Chinese Garden. I love it over here. It's so peaceful.
The dog ran away.
Where's the dog? Go find the dog. Gracias.
Es que tiene unos padres lindos. No les parece muy bien. No se puede, no se puede. Oh, mira, ahí sí, mira. Oye, que hay gente ahí. Sí, allá está la escalera. Venga, la escalera está acá.
ये जगह पिकनिक के लिए बहुत अच्छी है क्योंकि it has green grass to sit on a lot of it.
You're not going to get that until you've got internet.
Let's see this, then we'll go down over there. यहाँ पे मेडूसा का पिक्चर बना हुआ है. मेडूसा ग्रीक mythology में कैरेक्टर है. उसके हेयर की जगह स्नेक्स बना दिए थे उसकी हेयर को. That's why it's really, she's a famous character in Greek mythology. So यहाँ पे कोई कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रही है. I wonder यहाँ पे क्या बनेगा. Wait, let me see. Yeah. तो ये पर्शियन पूल की रिस्टोरेशन हो रही। Persian pool is under construction. So I think ये pool था। यहाँ ये सारा pool है। अभी pool के अंदर इसको सही कर रहे हैं। So you can see the mountains from here. यहाँ से mountains and Hudson River बहुत clearly नजर आ रहा है। Let's go down and see.
Because I live across the street, so, you know.
Right.
Yeah. When did you guys in over the winter? Yeah. You know how the winters are.
या वहाँ से डोर बना हुआ है, वहाँ से आगे शायद जाएं। न्यूयॉर्क सिटी, नॉट द सिटी, दिस इज नॉट द सिटी, ये सिटी से थोड़ा सा ऊपर है, Manhattan से, in Bronx actually I think, or a little above, yeah, Bronx, I'm not sure. So ये, yes, I was saying New York में ऐसे इतने hidden gems हैं, ऐसे इतनी hidden like खूबसूरत जगह हैं, and I really wish to explore all of them and also show you guys. This is so nice, लेकिन ये बहुत अभी में हो। So I think I'm halfway down. So ये थोड़ा सा चलने के बाद फिर थोड़ी सी stairs आ जाती हैं, and then I'm gonna walk again, and then stairs again, then walk again. That was one stair, and we're almost there. I wonder where this goes to. There's also this. Let's go see. Let's go see inside. So I guess आप लोग यहाँ से भी आ सकते हैं नीचे, if you don't want to climb those stairs. I think they're taking pictures.
Uy, mira qué bajo allá. Estos son montañas altas.
ये सारा हडसन रिवर नजर आ रहा है, and I don't know साइड पे क्या है। but mountains for sure. And ये भी park की entrance है और वो दोनों hiking trails हैं. And this structure इतना पुराना नहीं, ये वाला it was just made now, like few years ago. It's really beautiful. So pretty. This is one of the most beautiful gardens I've ever been to, and trust me, मैं बहुत gardens में गई हूँ.
भिडियो बनाइदिन्छ हल्लो होला हाँसो हाँसो पकाइ स्लोमा बनाइदिन्छु ल रेडी हाँसो हल्लो के हल्लो 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 के ठुलो
So this was my video of Untermyer Gardens. I hope you all enjoyed this beautiful place. And if you did, like the video and subscribe, comment and share. Thanks, bye.